But all the beer di fufu da.
Debi.
Sa. On kasa squad no.
Debi na me hu say broni bi.
Yeah.
Odi beer. Odi nkatie na num beer.
Hey. Oh, and the amprofo ye. Ebi wa cry.
Hu tinzu papa roba kona. Otu anu so na nkatie no guadiem sa.
Na odi ye. Ebi wa asimdwe kan.
Enka so be mena.
Odi beer di fufu da.
Beer kora minim ni tasty. Ni minim ansa si beer de no ane crop. Beer de no ane crop ni minim ana no. Se beer eno ane crop asane aka beer ye. News to me.
And don't find you for that.
And I mean, himself, if you're so Debbie.
Yes, yeah, lovely.
And cut your crown,
really?
Nine.
Now, do you have any assistance on your bonny? I've been no.
Nine, mean, I don't go on.
Overdo a banner. Oh, bring a what having it. I has you on your bonny. I feel everyone is a good.
Kwasi bi e de chance o.
This
bi e de chance.
That is
fufu ni akwasi.
I was say asamo.
Akwasi. Na fufu ni abekwai.
Ekoyi o.
Ekoyi. Kwasi ekoyi.
Na me de here.
Me de fufu di kakra.
Oza. Amza ode ma be come man sombra na fe me go chichin komo honorable George Mekuduka deputy minister lands and natural resources ya nne chichin komo honorable oti enka asomdwen ka wana pay hello honorable
yeah
wait I hope say bibia boko
oh yankopo de we mo
ya me ne hene yeguso pa galamse fight ni yeguso
oh yame ado papa
and they say I fan you do
Ojita
Jim FM
I'm there member who studio white na me chia webo go for your league fan na always club na if you have to na always fufu na chia wojira
na boncha wanga za swepe ana
ay me na member studio wa also my chairman
okay yeah
Martin
great
and brother them are mining or ya aga na me go that Ghana okay na mama one hour for the year mining the mine responsibly the kwana ya this year them na father can be used the Ghana giving na osen plantan ya be yerba abutu ana yesu na ye say na ansan yenpo worry na the kwana ofa be your mind na wo weni ko ma isa sabi na wono na wo bo ban na ma say na oban den in the ideas that is not ya even na the green the creek and grandma cook oh nti no be here there man paying another down for kufuado obotu sa obade zi albama Ghana na ono na the ma be as a approach you are Samuel Abuja na for o tuna ana one of do the obake ma biara onto by mining why responsibly na on say ninja padi the forest and unisuru na approach has been different na is the way to go most can there or say there get bipartisan approach na you discuss some of these issues discuss it ya man is if you if the robot corner and I won't be able to be no making sure there in the shape of minority and majority now coming maybe maybe adventure as a committee on land and forestry on leadership as a committee on mines and energy on leadership and I won't be able to be with also so many another approach is in there 1 year national dialogue mantenyin or to suffer ahemfo or to suffer stakeholders chamber of commerce there and a society organization there be a family family kwana ya famba yabama dam galaxy aga or Ghana. Yes, 2 hours. We buy a country to Cote d'Ivoire. Get to Yafua. Give it a dialogue.
Yeah.
Kabumpa, na ono na manti na look at that. All hands must be on deck. Na there's a day. In a education fires after that galaxy. Up to the blue. In Kano. Kuna fado ya solve galaxy ni de ya fasoja fo ana suda fo e go na fi kan na ebia wa ba tapa ne constituency na obuta na mondi this is seem to be big we find the respect one war region obere no mpo ebia wa nya we
right
or there you decentralize the modus operandi one ya fada
Honorable, and fallout from the national dialogue, and we deploy 200 military men, Moboa. As a result of Maobe during the dialogue, Nana.
Actually, dialogue, and if so, Abakaya, 9 years, so you are some of our beginner folk to an amount called Western United, or near Ahimfo. To be the home on your stakeholders. Now you share galaxy for water. This is very impressive. While so what show all commitment there. Kwana ya fabi mining on ye. Now also Bobwa to one warrior galaxy will should be with others. And see. Engaging them now was the one I deliver Nigeria show them commitment. Now sincerity in the minister who lead the course are very important.
But Honorable, that this is not the first time I deploy military men. The Wonka Juma on the fields.
Mijitum there. This is the first time you engage your stakeholders in the fight against Galaxy.
But this is not the first time I deploy military men. The Wonka Juma.
Military, obviously, one in Libya on Yamagana. Or you need to do something. On in Asaya or there with them Juma. And obviously, you'll be passed. But at what point, over your pass. Now, actually, the Libya, Abra, Ubia, where there. Ma maybe I'm going to do humanity. Ma maybe Ghana ha. Only there. Even small scale mining no problem. Foreigners are not allowed. The Minerals and Mining Act. Na yama kwandem. This is the into the man money you ability to obey. Stakeholders will be mining. And there will be a way. Then the man of money the very to no day of one. If you just a day, can find out what shows and I was saying more than 80 on a river body on River Pratt.
Honorable,
one stream, one stretch.
Honorable, this is not the first time military for work or field work or show. Chamfan excavators, Nazi. Anna.
As I'm you to them.
Okay, and now what quite so your tin sema obey. And see this particular my tin
I'm a
Auntie B.
Mama there and I'm one of which why is very successful. Ma mini there
more in successful. 200 for we deploy one now. Now 200 we one ejuma.
1 week.
And 1 week about internet why successful.
Ma why successful ni baby yes man one day one corner. We too now pam one award them you them target ye na ubia ni them area hobby. Nti na che we can replicate same in other jurisdictions. In America there, why is it?
Part one of the fight, military men would deploy more. What were some of the allegations, Obey?
The ma Ozi Kanwa and the Ibinum Kade, extortion to them. Ibinum Kade, Kwana Wofado, Nanka, building for the work for her in the Anachina, Bohano, maybe leak information. Na Kofuno, who assist Wandama, what part of Asa and Honichi. These are all clues and all guide the operations of the current deployment.
And at least we should be assured that the current troop are working yanti issues of distortion and will be leak information or baby more bokonazi.
Asampa make sure body this time around the modus operandi is different. Ma in here if you want there, you yajin boko doku. Yaja to the Adamazi or ya Kanka via all Hogana, you know the Exodus. Na yes, you were somewhere about the apostle in Kran. Na yes, I let you. Na you among your celebrity. Na yabwa, Madame Galamsey, Ofi Okra.
And about Bejatum, the one party for Nibi, why a Galamsey Nibia?
Jim FM.
All political parties. Onye amelo party because na because the Ghana na you to intend to be hypocrite on your platform.
Okay, and at least
investigation is that you need or chede in full I said Canada so we feel I'm for what wrong with you master that said no who in the concession and now original to do oil mining and now the original forest oil mining. So you want to why you one of them be an machine must be bet.
Okay, Honorable. For example, investigations are why yes, I him for whom agitum the party for whom Honorable Mrekuduka Kanwa Nidin Beba. Charity begins at home. Wait to identify one party members away Galamsey.
So far, no, Muntin far is going to talk. What you do?
Menka the body, but when you want.
Mammy, there. Yakwa, we don't ask the survey. One other concession, the listening going in an oil and party and Sana, and I'm one of the there. Your boyfriend, my use to the eye clean to another airport. We don't ask that. We are not interested in that. One other one side is not a registered and licensed concessionaire or the Mbra Pando Duman. Now, all say into the forest. Is there or a day? You can
Nanti assure Ghana for that this time. Wakwa whether party bar or your one no or your hino once or pretty legally needed or yaza will be season them nothing.
Damn pepe.
Really? Yanti be before for bia.
Say as your corner approach the bipartisan approach will be as the Boawa so on a prayer Dom Dodo Clinton waiting na dedicated period. Nazama them unity. This the them boy embrace them young Bashabo. Was to do not be na Nina the empire meeting. They are bois. We don't all you campaign and out down for Kufado. Now, the Bayan could see that Magana in a
Anamo Mianda, CM Fausia, I, and some drink out.
Masumidati, Yamisha, Papa.
Right. I was for Honorable George Mrekuduka, Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources. 39 minutes after 7. Obria boyfriend and frame. Akuya Boacho Yado, Mamuaha. Apostle. Yeah, the bro. The bro. Ebi Honorable say Oba Bechechium. Be a nefufu.
Also baba sheshe mu.
Also baba sheshe mu.
Ne oti ase pa.
E de o ka se ho tin fifire no. Also oti ase chen no.
Sa. Me bi en fifire nti ho. Ye omo yi a che nyina be so hwa na hu tin fifire se ya. Ese ade ne eden. Enko ye nkro tin fifire. Ono awo ba no tin fifire.
Elder Francis Basie, Italy. I'll say, hey, good morning. I said, I'm a reggae lover. I love it. Reggae is music for kings. Ahemfo. Oh, that's the ABY Queen. Also, open reggae pa.
The Empress.
Reggae pa. Shut down. Tuka kwa trabe bi ti reggae kwa.
Oh, sir.
Na na ze COVID nti omo nya yi wo ho.
Oh, ko hobi. Oh, okay. Oh, you be you are some manufacturer.
Yes, yes.
Unka ba ko nka ho.
Bombo katra.
Wana kan you.
Asamo.
Kwasi na asamo e daba ko abetodwa wo.
Aha, mo se dey.
Nie ye betumi dia ye asphalt wo mayimo. Won nie de ye asphalt no. Eno going penny for say enche o. Yes, by September this year no. One more be call into asphalt. Say ye benya asphalt. E wo mayimu. Ye tumi dia ya akwan. It's a year of rose no.
Wow.
Oh, nyame ya adomo a ebebem.
Ambe ka kwan no so.
Penny for that go anochie mu say. One more ba be ye ne ka ne say bitumen. So what in Wasem?
Sure.
Say ye can't asphalt, see a bit me a asphalt. Near ye to me de ye near me to me the dada moon. Was one near Jumacobia, 1 moon free Ghana has say, and a eba cambomu. No what to me at to near menina. No the sika, you know. War pepe at Dionumi and San up a bitumen site no. Now, when you're here, and you're going penny for any decline. Na Ivory Coast company baako ye almost ye frɛ won SMB and one wo be ka bom ti sa company no and e beboa won e wo bitumen no ne supply mu na mpanimfo tumi adada ne yemamu a ne abenya asphalt no Ghana ha say hun say ye ni factory bi etesa
anka bede e bi wa bede
eti unim and no so for show mayi ye nkwantempo nsem so ekọ go mpanimfo na so nti okodu ye no ena penina oda go adwumako na no onumunyamfo Kwame Yosef Prempe kane suta kwa mamra hyebadwani wode to mpanimfo anim sabota yesi wani so no na kwasi me ne ya mepe ye se wo be ka asem na be ma date se kwia me hye wo bowei eye dwoada anase benada
be baso
me mpani fo be ka asem no awie no wabisa ansa da ben was in the pipeline
dey ana che
anase
kwia bentwa no se o ma date na se otis waka se June a o che se wa hu sa de nenye June
and obi when you June September
by June there
and June 4
eti wasi onwenyan for Kwame Yosef Prempe deputy deputy mpofu deputy the former deputy attorney general no and the managing director ya oda go adwumako na no and what they atudwa says abota ye no mpanifo hwe anim se by September eti ye nyina ye de ani bedi achi na September bosome no yahwe ebise ne se wutie no nsia kase ebo a omanfo ebo asantemantemu bna wobo nipa wo sakra wo nokura de se so ma meye sakra wo nokwan na se dru so mo ye se edwo na yie na epipi for mo nsi wo
am be block kwan
mama mpani ma na be di achi ma mo obi ama na ehima so obeye na yie ni nyina na ye kwan ya se wo kronum ya wo bebre eti se go for some betumi aboa with the asphalt ye betumi de esa adwuma nde a ye bebo wo chidom na adwuma no omatumi ayem eti ne wunya the bonkrata daily guide sa nsem ni bi kratafa enkron da honomo ena daily guide kro na mu ene ya wo time ye na mingu so fresh good so na fiala
Kazi mimu nyesa what time na mingu
aha what time na mimu na mesa fresh good so ka se mingu oh some the dam ka se beat in here because anyum ni say no da kwasi bo beat no che say o mo sheda hye ye ɛna agrada so hyɛ da chusu ye utame na mingu sa so fresh go so
mimu o so mingu
na ede mingu no na ede utame mingu sa so fresh go so eti kwasie anti fresh say de enfre no Vangelis they say they are the one ready Vangelis na Vangelis say ni full name ni nie was say your friend no Patricia Oduro Cranting Patricia
me and friend
Oduro
na grada
Cranting Vangelis Patricia Oduro Cranting asa wuto obedi wa so dem no
akadi body me say
ana munyina maka Vangelis etoda na nkura bi wo ho ne ntimi mu a so for ne kan bete we dey Vangelis Patricia Oduro Cranting Elias Sikagade Elias Nanagrada wase wahye abosom ni nyina na oyimiensa gunchen
enti oyimiensa miensa ne yeden
miensa no wase obi de ndia wanfa nko obenyasem etinro firi hwa wahye na no traffic so otuom junction one mo yes wahye Sikagale no amanfo aye ward o mokọ hesa agrada
Sikagale
na du so mo tonyum na agrada na nkasa oye something else wonim say du say o mo to aso nyum na kwasi aso nyum be no nim to ana what so the passion
de to no
what de to no ani abaya yi nyumi abaya Cecilia ba ku kwaje microphone free ne samu
Joyce blessing
nyum no repent agrada to a
what to pa
say wa repent
wa sakra abosom ne dada na kakra
na enura no chese wo boa ne ho ansa ne wo be ye evangelist no ese so hwenura tade e hye no en wo de ase kasoko sade na ye omudi go omuko mu
no ade afaso
Yesu go bompa ye last one no ade na egu no ko mu no agrada enya video egu no ko mu
ogofa ne he
ena ni nwanwa ena ni chinwi no wabo ade atua na pampam ena nra ne ye wo kyem nwumi ena sane asofo na asa omani bire na kwasi hwemanim na umia wani da Jesus evi na agrada atra nya gro ojinamu sesi a wakatonso
wow
ti wo abam dada nka tonso no jesa agrada be kire
adabi mbesa meti bibia si o enti police fo ankofa na anko nsachira
wose ne nsachira yemu ne die no ene solo be ye Paul ana ye die hin se so ne be ye Paul ya akose kwasi
okay
wose womo before ye be chi no no na ni bi kasa kire ne se
onsachira
Patricia wayira Patricia bra na otisa ne no
okay
na no o ya so brachie
wa yi na so ontie
eti wa o mbe fa no no ka che Nyankopon se Awurade me pese mi hu se wo ho no mo a wo ye mo se mu die ni bi
okay
so ma we dane wo wa se me kona me san ba meji wadi se wo ye nyame ne ma bedi wachi
abusia bra Facebook na behwe why behwe sesi emra na
eti se sika garage
wajai utame na fe Bible and the Bible no so dia so pa o anti boyina na ho ana no kotoy
oboa ne ho ansa na wo ade na wo ye no enti na bi mu se plantain no efisa ne Bible kita no ne ntade hyemu
Holy Bible
ne wo ye ne niema nyina ne kire se na bo me ho asie na mapie eti say
bastela na say wansusu antwi
eniema no wom
o kakra de ze ne
kakra wom wo ye dan a wontumi nyi ni no wo se asama e kan hwe kwasi ye nyina na ye wo ha sei kwasi na te he meka na waje ho na ye de
pasa
ade wo se ba bia ye din e ba bia ye din
adenti
enti ase wom
o se
asa se o me microphone ni nyina ye adwuma no achi obri ye bo afente friends microphone si da nu bi shito
obri amase kabia na say
na dey no ye I need your interaction
amase on Facebook na be share na grada
wo dey ye dum so dum so brem
kan ya o kan me kan
ala me kan ya kan me kan ya kan na kan na
ya o kan so du se be
oni mi bia me ni mana
special assistant na te ha no eti o hu kwa be fa so na I'm so happy that he's here
obri
O damn me.
Na sa o ma me preocupe.
Oh.
No.
Oh. Wait, Peter the enemy.
What was that your secret no?
O can assume no.
What was that your secret?
There be o can assume no. Adam, where are you?
I'm first one, but see, bisa ko asem bio. Agoko aboko.
O can assume no.
Oh, so oni assume for.
O can assume no.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I did to one
Only any of my own filler. That's say, oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Bibia bio.
Bibia boko.
Oh, yeah. Oh, everyone else three. Oh,
now you can't say myself as you who
me who frame say.
I'm by a man.
Oh, na kasa.
Shani why ni sa.
Yes,
the microphone.
yes, we plan ya the camera scene so.
Organize a press conference.
Camera there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, donkey.
I was on Facebook show and this one there. Asagra.
Asagra donkey.
And you be and now go hobby.
Oh, there be.
But who could feel our own abosom no.
Oh, Bisam say a damn who.
Ose.
Oh, Bisam say a damn who.
And now na be set question like
this. Let's go be our own abosom no.
The only TV the soro. There no go catch it one. No.
Oh, okay.
No.
And to find a number of TV so now friend Anna.
Minimum no.
Sir.
The bay 11 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, donkey.
Oh, there's a man and teacher.
Oh, yes, minimum pa. Sir, the former station.
Yeah.
That I feel I know starting tea. When I'm hosting.
Oh, when you're Beno.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Beno.
Minimum pa.
Hey. Yeah, maybe.
Minimum papa.
Enti edu baby no na sika gari amanfo obo charger na omo hwehwe no. Oh, but say, ni ewo mu oni say.
Yeah, video no.
Agada ni na chitafo nyina fa Yesu. Say ye donkey owo mu.
Yeah, oh, be Facebook in fact.
Busiri owo mu o. Say wo mu nyina wo de obi e benyame mu.
Aba okra Bible nyina ayo afa video no cho okra Bible nyina say bosom ba ku sinanim o. Ona o ka say o. Ba ku sinanim.
Ne na ode kɔ no.
De na ode kɔ no.
Me ensanya ne dia enti wo amamra ni amanie mu no wo se wo sign de kɔ eti nra wo hye we ni wie ye na wo da hwe o ba bia ogina sei
on se ba ku bi gina woni
eti san ba bia ogina ya wotame na mi wu nhyenhyen ni nyina no we hye fie ho
wo so tame na mi wu
okay ono na ne ma mi aje ni nyuma ne ma me so
me nyina chie kwasi abosom no na omo di begu na esusu o esusu awohwe eniema wode ahyehye ho we nu ye de kariko ana we ye den ko jan ye ode abobobobo ho
na abosom a ohye omo sa no abosom no omo bumfu
sa ni ani bubefu no ode ko ye no ni ani bubefu no
abosom na ye honhom
oh okay
honhom de ombe hye mu no ana wa hye no nji obi wa oba be hye
oh okay
sa na sa kwasi ukofie ho na hu ne hyenhyen ya
enoma sem
abosom dan no
eso
fie ho no efisa hwaniema pa omayi abegu anim ho no mo
eso pa
hwaniema omatwe abegu ho no mo ene o mansantwerefo breye hwe eja na dem tatatata
bosom ba ko dia so dane wo form ho
sa o di ja tunu mu agada hwe ja
aso dane wo form ho onua
etu chase kwasi owie no ode nwom no to aso eti ese no minim se o beti asori o so obeye dan yo agrada ye ni
obri betimi atre obri se obeye dan
oh so adi ka dada so oye osempakani evangelist so Nico Yesofu
nti obe cancer nti na Nico Yesofu no no so ye we
Nico Yesofu ogina so dem ya so de ana we ni so tifie so ye akomu adwuma no eti ye se obekọ oka Nico no ho so ba na so papa enya ye no
akoka ba ko ho
Hey, wow.
Eti baako atimi atwe baako.
Enti na ni kunu ya we.
So da kesi ya we ya sorry wo mu.
Oh, okay.
Enti onu fra so dem ho anu aba abusumfie. No chese one ne yere na tie bibia. Eti nei na chese nyame abamu. Eti mesre obi. Amanfo se agrada aka ne de wo so tua. Ti esrada obi.
Nim so de kan ti se o pa sama ka chire nyame a
enti nam de nam hai kwasi o hu abosom dem ho
ai me ho pa
camera no
go Facebook no me ho pa
wa se da yi full room
yeah
eda kese
bako ani pepper dem adi abosom agum
hwe enu na egumwo no
obenya
anu wa hyehyɛ ho sei dɔ so
obi esiri dan so de ma ya na de
abosom no omodoso pa o
omodoso ni o hye ye no dɔ so
we abosom pre ba bosom ho de o juze na fu adwa no
o won sizes kwasi
o bi ani ni mu bosom na fu adwa na we o be na be kasa fa ni mu wa hwehwehwe
kwasi u se
na we ko so kra hwe ne ra ho
ampo
na we podi osebe fo o hwe bosom de o hwe che no hwe na ni
u se India de ni bi wo mu
wa ko India
India for de no kwasi wo hu ba ko a India for de ni wo mu
but that way they no time do we dey na baby obri na o ma me bo sum dey no time do ofin no obri we go find way no obri we go find way
we say enua
na o say
yesi onya say enua
nanti ya nya eduana nim say ya honhom metre ma
nti honhom na fe wo say eduana
o hwe mienu ye we chimpanzee o
ebi ase ebi cheche ebi waye ebi
chimpanzee
waye ebi te sa adoe na ba ko cheche ba ko shekulu ha iche ni bi
obri tuntum na watop one no ayan
friend kan come here
evangelist
kan come here
ejuma no agrada e de eja agrada sin ejita for say ejo nda wansisa kan come here ni watu so ni kan come here
mo bi asare ngo na odia veze kan come
here so what dey sebo
abusia
asembu entwa to
quickly the answer yeah
Daily Dispatch or the Nsembia Base Asante Mantem ya omanya asa ho how kidney problem ya do mo ba dodo na
nkola
dodo na
wow omo survive
say o sin kwara yare ni si o mo Asante Mantem na sem no ana odin na o kire mu a free champion ni du miensa omo bu nkonta na nkwada makoma aduasanum 35 ana mo ba mu 30
emu 30 ko
mo kidney no nyina
wow
na asai na doctor pania wo no odin se metu dwa kire se obesre o manfo pa se de kidney hu ha no si peja na mu so o mayi mu no de di kan ye hwe de die die ni hwe ni ye ni o ma ye nonom
anonom no
ya nso ye no mu nsuo bebre
kalam se nsuo
na ya nya homenso
ahomeje ne de hu hia pa o
papa na afi
ye hia ye de areas
bre no so se jana na ba ko no na ba ko
okay
nyesa mawa bi be foforo akwa kodu kidney me na kofa ha no se sentiment mo fidia dialysis machine no kra na video mo try aso mbenya bi ebi ma nti mo se ye nhwe ye didie ni ye no mu yi pa nti
mate
ene ye me de kanka me agya o
mate